We've parted off. I've just centre drilled there. It wasn't quite through, it just went through with the tip of the centre drill, and we've got a bore right the way through there. So I'll just reposition it now on the already turned portion of the work. We'll pop it out of there. Go the right way. I've also already beveled the end on the other side ready. I'll swap the collet over, which should be around about 4mm. We're in the chuck again on the other side of the work. Let's face it up a little, and I'll take it down to just over 5.2mm diameter for the pipe to go on. I'll put a couple of little barbs on there to grip the pipe. I'll do that with a parting tool in a moment. So there's a little shoulder for it to butt up to the carburettor body. A little bit off, see where we are. Five and a half millimeters, so another half mil off that, and then we'll put some barbs on. .03, that'll do fine. Pipe will go on there. I'll just face another little fraction off that end, just to make sure there's no sharpness on it. I'll put some little barbs on it. With a parting tool, just tack it in. and just cut us some grooves in there. Just being careful not to actually go through. That should do fine. There's a little piece of a pipe. That's fine. I think I've got lovely. Okay. See what it looks like. Eager to go. Where's that gone? There we go. A little vacuum takeoff. I'm back at the mill now with the carburettor that I'm taking the dimensions and things off, set up on the rotary table in the vertical position. The plan is I need to get an idea of the angle that spray tube, that vacuum tube is sitting at. So with a small bar in there, a drill or whatever set vertically, I can line it up with a bar in the chuck and get it positioned vertically. Then I can, with the top off, I can measure that angle and transfer that angle onto the other carburettor. We'll see how it goes. Here we are with it set up with a piece of ground bar in the collet chuck and a close fitting drill bit in the hole of the existing jet. So now I can take that in, and we can slowly rotate the carburettor in the rotary table until we get an alignment. Something probably about there. Getting closer. Now once we've got that alignment, I can put a level across that top face of the carburettor there with this cap off, and get an angle that we can set the other carburettor at. Now with our carburettor set at that rod set vertically and aligned to the rod in the chuck, with the angle gauge on the top face of the carburettor, we'd say we're sitting at 34.1 degrees. So if I put the other carburettor in and get the top face at that same angle, then we should be drilling through the body at the same respective angle of the carburettor here. So I'll get set up with the other carburettor now and see what it looks like.